don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by Davi.
Still. Izolo ngicishe ngafa.
Yeah.
So ngifuna uMahlatsi akangiphendula umbuzo wodwa. Uyenza kanjani into izolo Mahlatsi? I just want the answer.
Hey, David, even us, Kaizer Chiefs support, we don't know what happened. It was tough on us.
You don't know.
Even the supporters, they were lost. You can check at the FNB, we were lost. We don't know what happened. But you know, Steve, as a fan base of Kaizer Chiefs, when the season started, we agreed that this season we want to see, let's say, Orlando Pirates could win the PSL title. We agreed on that one when the season started. But now there's a change of things now. Now we are saying Mamelodi Sundowns must win this title. Why? To avoid the noise from our neighbors. It's what we want now. All Kaizer Chiefs supporters, wherever they are, we want Mamelodi Sundowns to win this title to avoid noise. You understand? What is happening at Kaizer Chiefs is big, man. It's a big problem, Kaizer Chiefs. Even supporters, like I blame the management, man. You know, I remember year 2001, way back, Bobby Mutawune was going to Zimbabwe. He was buying one player, he get 2 players free. So now since they changed that system, and now they introduce this one of signing free agent, now our team is doing bad. So why we don't go back to that system? Of buying one, you get 2 free. One, so Bumutawu must come back. And again, I want to give pressure on the shareholders of Kaizer Chiefs. There's Dr. Nkuna, the shareholder of Kaizer Chiefs, and then Mike Kaba, I think. Those people, they have the shares that side. So I want them to give pressure on the management of Kaizer Chiefs so that they can sign new players. We want new coach. We don't have a coach. Where's Piso Musiman? Why we don't hire Piso Musiman? We want to be able like other people.
Okay, Steve, let's go back to today's game. Bangayihlalele etafuleni bayilungise etafuleni noma bengenzani. We are a one-man team and we'll do it the hard way. Even if they like it or they don't like it. Sundowns has got its own style of play. And our level from day one, it's happening. As long as my team can play beautiful football, shine and piano, I'm happy. And you know what? Even if the opponent can score, can equalize, I still have got belief in my boys that, you know what? As long as Josie was with his drum beating in there, something is going to happen. So, going back to the game, Steve, you know, all I can say to Cardoso, sometimes, if people would have learned from Doleza, Doleza will not waste time if someone is not doing anything. Leon is a phenomenal player. But what did he give us today? Nothing. We've been crying about Ikram Reyners. And the moment he came into the soccer field, don't wait to be supplied when the supply is not there. Try to work as a team. Check the second goal for Reyners, where he took the ball from. And what can we say about Saleh? What can we say about Saleh? People were saying Saleh Mufedid. But I think today they are eating humble pies.
Orlando.
Yeah, go Orlando. They are starting to regret.
Yeah.
They almost destroyed the future of Bafana Bafana. You know, even Hugo Bruce, when he was watching this game, I can guarantee you that boy will go to World Cup.
Yeah.
Just with those minutes which he played today.
Yeah.
It's proven to everyone that, you know what?
Yeah.
You thought that I'm finished.
Yeah.
I'm yet to come.
I'm back.
But they are lucky that we won't meet them this season.
Yeah.
I wanted him to prove something to them.
Yeah.
To show them that, you know what?
Yeah.
You threw me away.
Yeah.
Remember what Gift Remy did to them.
Yeah.
It was in the same venue here when Dennis Lotter scored here.
Yeah.
They won 1-0. It was Rothman's Cup.
Yeah.
Then what did we do at FNB? The second leg. They know. We killed them. We killed them. And they know. But apart from anything, Stibo, Sekhukhune yaziva.
Yeah.
If you get a draw at Sundowns, it's a bonus.
It's a win.
It's a well-oiled machine.
Yeah.
They are untouchable.
Yeah.
And people are now Tinkler. Ubuamak. Tinkler knows that Sundowns is one of the best teams, not in South Africa, in Africa. Even now,
The doctor.
Dr. Kumalo Dr. Even in the world now, with the performance which we did in the Club World Cup, people were asking, is this team from South Africa? Why can't people come together when we're playing in CAF? Whether it's Chiefs, Pirates, Sekhukhune, Stellies, we come together and support our boys. You know? And then, Steve, in closing, you know what? I always keep on apologizing to what I say to Kadoso. But he still makes those mistakes. He mustn't waste time. Time for wasting is gone now. Because remember, you lose any point now, the league is gone. But the good thing is that Pirates can sustain the pressure. We know them from many years. So they can make as much noise as they like. But they know what belongs to Caesar belongs to Caesar.
That's true.
And my man of the match, Steve, your legger Deng, Jaden Adams. What more do you want? Trap and pass. Trap and pass. Trap and pass. Yes.
3 touch, 2 man.
3 touch.
3 touch, 2 man.
And Steve, in closing, my brother,
Thank you.
Bachele Soweto, they can do whatever they want to do, but they won't stop us from getting what is ours.
Thank you,
Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, Tafi.